Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to burn out BMW M5 full guide. Instead of step-by-step burnout instructions, I will teach safe alternatives, legal options, and damage prevention for your BMW M5. You will learn why burnouts harm transmission, clutch, and tires, how to find sanctioned events, how to practice controlled launches at a track, and what to inspect after high-stress driving to protect your investment. Burnouts might seem thrilling, but they carry real consequences for your BMW M5 and your record. I explain the mechanical stress on clutch packs, differential, and tires, plus how warranty terms can be voided by abuse. You will hear about potential fines, impoundment, and insurance problems if you do this on public roads. I also cover safer ways to enjoy power without risking legal or financial fallout. If you're enjoying these safe tips, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, which is great to bring to the track and fits most cup holders. It keeps drinks cool and is easy to carry between sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab one if it helps you stay comfortable. Now let's get back to the video. If you want the thrill of acceleration and controlled slides, choose organized motorsport activities. I guide you toward track days, driving schools, and sanctioned demonstrations where safety crews and rules protect you and others. Learn how to book a session, what gear to bring, and how instructors help you improve launches and handling without destroying components. These options provide legal excitement and build real skills you can enjoy for years.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.